Alright, now WhatsApp is finally dropping one of its most requested feature, that is the usernames. And you really need to go ahead and reserve yours right now. And this feature is currently showing up on my iPhone, not yet on my Samsung Galaxy phone. And that's the reason you're seeing the iPhone in today's video. And I received a notification about this right here on my chat page. Let me show you that screenshot here. You can see this is a screenshot. Right here it says, usernames are coming soon. Keep your phone number private with a username. And you can tap on reserve yours to directly go into the settings. Or what you can do is you can go to WhatsApp, tap on your profile picture. This is on the iPhones. On Android, you need to go to the settings and then tap on accounts, and you will see username option right over here. Just tap on that. It says usernames are coming. Reserve yours today. Your username will keep your phone number private from people who don't already know it. You can add a key to control who contacts you by your username. And this is fantastic. And this has been one of the most awaited features on the WhatsApp. And now it is rolling out. Now you may not be able to use this feature right away. You can just reserve your username, and once the feature rolls out, you would be able to use the username and share it with others. Just make sure you reserve your username today, because usernames will always run out. You need to find different username to get your preferred one. So it's better you reserve it right now if you're seeing this feature on your phone, on your WhatsApp. Now, like I said, it is not available widely. Once this fully rolls out, you'll be able to message new people, join massive community groups and chats with businesses without ever having to expose your actual personal phone number. It's a huge shift that makes the application a much safer space to connect. Now here you can see I can tap on create username, or I can use my username from Instagram, Nutan Salian, or I can use the Facebook username. Let me tap on create username here. Right here I can create whatever I want, and that will be the username I will be sharing going forward. Whoever asks me my contact on WhatsApp, or whoever wants to connect with me, they can connect directly using this username on WhatsApp instead of me sharing my contact number with them. Now that protects our privacy. We don't really have to share our contact number with each and everyone. Just share the username and you're good to go to connect with them. So what are you waiting for? If you're seeing this feature, go ahead and reserve your preferred username. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you find this video informative, and don't forget to download our Volvus wallpaper application. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.